While the emergency calls only on Android error can be frustrating, there are plenty of solutions to try. Keep watching. How to fix emergency calls only on Android with 11 solutions. Solution 1. Choose your carrier manually. Solution 2. Switch to GSM only. Solution 3. Perform a soft restart. Solution 4. Reinsert the SIM card. Solution 5. Pay carrier bills. Solution 6. Turn airplane mode on and back off. Solution 7. Reset Android's network settings. Solution 8. Prevent fixed dialing. Solution 9. Perform a factory reset on your phone. Solution 10. Check for software updates. Solution 11. Repair Android system in one click. A sure fix to Samsung emergency calls only is with the help of professional repair software. Android Repair is your one-stop solution that will fix any system problems on your Android phone.